Welcome to the Zenix EMS in-service tutorial video series. This series provides detailed information about the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator and its functionality. These videos serve as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the operator's guide, available online at ZOLL.com. Obtain formal training from an appropriate authority before using Zenix for patient care. In this overview, we will review the Real BVM Help feature of the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator. Real BVM Help provides ventilation feedback on volume, breath rate, and ventilation quality of manually delivered breaths. Real BVM Help is indicated for adult patients only, and it works on any commercially available airway adjunct with a standard-sized fitting. This includes masks, supraglottic airways, endotracheal tubes, tracheostomy tubes, and a variety of extensions and swivels. Real BVM Help is not indicated for use with mechanical ventilators. The equipment consists of the AccuVent sensor, which is a disposable single-patient use sensor that is placed in the airway circuit, and the AccuVent Z-Link cable. The AccuVent Z-Link cable is a reusable cable that plugs into any Z-Link port on either side of the device. When the cable is properly connected, the blue LED at the Z-Link port illuminates. The round green LED on the AccuVent cable also illuminates. The AccuVent sensor connects to the AccuVent cable. When the sensor is properly connected to the cable, the sensor LED bar illuminates, confirming proper connection and power to the sensor. Attach the AccuVent sensor to the airway. Once air is measured moving past the sensor, the Real BVM Help dashboard appears. This dashboard guides you to deliver high-quality ventilations. Green numbers indicate ventilation within the target, and yellow numbers indicate a need for improvement. On the Real BVM Help dashboard, delivered tidal volume appears in milliliters on the left side. The default target tidal volume appears on the right side of the volume box. Volumes in target will be plus or minus 50 milliliters of the target volume. To adjust the target tidal volume, select the Real BVM Help dashboard. Using the target volume pull-down menu, select the desired volume. In the center of the dashboard is a balloon-shaped ventilation quality indicator, VQI. It serves multiple functions. It offers a countdown timer for the next breath and provides color-based feedback based on delivered tidal volume and ventilation rate. Green indicates rate and volume are within target, while yellow indicates a need for improvement of tidal volume or rate. If a breath is due based on target rate, the circle empties and blinks yellow to indicate it is time to ventilate. To the right of the ventilation quality indicator, the ventilation rate feedback is displayed in breaths per minute. The default breath rate appears on the right side of the rate box. Rate in target is plus or minus 20% of the target rate. To adjust the target rate, select the Real BVM Help dashboard. Use the Target Rate pull-down menu to select the desired rate. Additional feedback is provided on the AccuVent cable at the sensor end. The LED indicates when to ventilate and whether the rate and volume are within targets. Ventilation and compression quality feedback can be provided simultaneously to users. The target rate can be configured to ventilate at a 30-2 rate for CPR. When compressions are detected, the rate will automatically change to 30-2. The ventilation quality indicator remains yellow or green during compressions based on quality of last breath provided. As time to ventilate approaches, the circle empties and starts blinking yellow. Provide the patient with 2 breaths, back to back, and volume quality will appear. When the patient has an advanced airway placed, rate and volume can be changed per protocol, as described previously. We have now reviewed the Real BVM Help features of the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator.